विश्वंभरी अखिल विश्वतनि जनेता विद्याधरी वदनमा वसजो विधाता दुर्बुद्धिने दूर करी सद्बुद्धि आपो मां पाहि ओं भगवती भवदुःख कापो मां पाहि ओं भगवती भवदुःख कापो मां पाहि ओं भगवती भवदुःख कापो. Om. Friends, we have learned to sketch Ma Durga's face from various angles. Example, from front view, profile view, from the left, from the right, etc. We have learned to draw her eyes full of kindness. Now, we have to learn to draw her eyes reflecting various expressions. How will her eyes look if she is a child? First, draw borders on all four sides. I am just enlarging it. You can use eraser. This is 10B Artline pencil, which I always prefer. Children have full eyes. As though they are marbles. 80% of Indians residing in South have full and round eyes. So do those who reside in Kolkata. The pupils of the iris will be large in children, and the eyebrows won't be so clear. Eyebrows will be very hardly any eyebrow will be seen. It will be something else. The white portion will come in the center. This is a child's eye. What if she has blazing eyes? So let's learn to draw her eyes which reflect anger, meant to destroy evil prevailing on earth. In the universe, in short, ready to kill demons like Mahishasur. One of her names, very famous one, is Mahishasura Mardini. Mardini means killer. Let's draw some enlarged shapes for you to see and observe clearly. Eraser should be used only when necessary. Now, what if her eyes are not kind? Because she wants to kill Mahishasur. How will it look? the eyebrows. We'll cut from the edge of the nose like this. Eyebrows. And yesterday we noticed there is a distance here, more distance than here. The eyelid and the eyebrows, right? And here, so we can mark this. Here there is a cut. There is an angle like this. And it goes like a fish. In many of our idols you would have seen, you would have observed. Here again there is a small cut, angle. Goes long like this. Here inside again. Why so many lines? That will come to know when we do the color work. And her pupils are in the middle. You may place them here in the center or in the side. They don't touch the upper part or the lower part. They are right in the center. Like this, you can place it here also. Okay. Now, let's draw. Supposing a nose is here, it gets cut here for the nose. Again here also you can draw a cut. Cut in the sense small, slightly angular. You can take it a bit below or straight like this, like how we have taken here. Okay. Left to you. Because this has come this way, I think this will be appropriate. And eye pupil at times will be in the center. So that, and the whiteness will be here somewhere. Depends on from where you receive light. So this is cut from the nose, end of the nose, eyebrows, then the eye. Then eyelashes, etc. can be attached. Okay. Now what if her face is in the front face? Now we have seen her left eye and her right eye separately. Now we'll go for her nose. First you'll have to draw a middle line. Mark 2 points on either sides. Edge of the nose. Now join this. You can rub unwanted lines later. Once this much is over, now this nose is a bit round. Now we will make it slender. How will you make it slender? Like this. This can go still below. This is where she wears her ring. Without this, her nose is incomplete. This will do later. First we'll go for the eye. Now this, from this point, her eye gets cut. Cut in the sense, we can draw the eye from this point. You must have heard the phrase Mriganayani. Mriga means deer. Nayani means one who has eyes like a deer. He also look like Matsya. Matsya means fish. Now this should synchronize. These lines, this point, this edge, this point, see the distance. Accordingly we will be drawing. And center line. We'll make her bindi or sindoor. And Chandrakala, which looks like a moon, crescent moon. Then her third eye. Now just rub this slightly. You may draw it like a coconut first, like this. This way that is partially closed, or full eyes also you can draw. Then the eyelashes can be drawn. We have seen her rose petal like lips. Slight smile at the end, not too much. You may add some beads to this ornament. This can be made fuller also, still bigger, and all these other details can be attached when you color it. Okay. Lips can be this way, or you can see what happens when you draw lips like this. Here the upper lip is thicker. That won't look beautiful. So how do you draw? Slightly curved, mark the middle point. This is one way of drawing. If you are drawing a person, not Durga Ma, a person who is laughing, it will be like this. But this will be very correct. Lips that are closed, at the same time smiling. So that will be okay. So we will have to practice this. Practice eyes separately, nose separately. Even profile view of nose, how it will look. That also you can see. This is one kind of nose which is slightly large here. This circle will look like this oval from the side. All these things should be observed and done. An idol like this or one like this. Move it in all angles and learn to draw. Om